Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the difference between parts of network security. Let's discuss one by one. So, IDS intrusion detection system is a passive monitoring technology for detecting cyber security attacks on a company. IDS analyze network traffic for possible dangerous activities such as malicious attacks and violations of security protocols. If a problem is detected, IDS creates an alert that notifies the administrator. To investigate the incident and take appropriate action, ideas can be classified in a couple of ways. One of them is its deployment place, where, which includes network based ideas and host based ideas. Network intrusion detection systems monitors packets moving in and out of network. It monitors all the traffic to catch security threats. This option is preferred for enterprises because it provides must and much broader coverage. Host intrusion detection systems. So monitors a single computer. It might monitor traffic, but it also monitors the activity of clients on the computer. For example, it might flood the administrator if a video game is accessing private files that it should not be accessing. Okay, so here it matters what type of ideas you choose. The underlying function is similar. You will use passive technology to detect an intrusion. When something is found suspicious, you you will get an alert about it. Pretty straightforward. Now, ideas can also be categorized based on how they are identified and in the potential threats. Signature based ideas uses a library of signatures of known threats to identify them. It is similar to antivirus software. Anomaly based ideas builds a model of normal behavior of protected systems and reports on any suspicious activity. Finally, hybrid system uses both methods to identify potential threats. Anomaly based systems are typically more useful than signature because they are better at detecting new and unrecognized attacks. IPS intrusion prevention system is an active monitoring system that protects the company's network from malicious attacks. IPS is not only rise an alert, but it also helps and prevent the intrusion from happening. For example, when IPS identifies potential threats based on monitoring features uh, of the protected host on in a network or of their protected host or network. It proactively performs an action to stop the malicious traffic from entering the network. When IPS detects a threat, it draws the danger up it in a separate place, such as quarantine. Like ideas, IPS can use signature based, anomaly based, or hybrid threat reduction methods. IPS can be host based, network based, wireless based, and network behavior. IPS and ideas are not required to be separate devices. They can be integrated into one physical device, such as next generation firewalls and UMT. Unified Threat Management Technology combines the functionality of both IPS and IDS into a single device, which are the key differences. IDS is designed to detect a potential threat, create an alert, and do nothing. To prevent the attack from occurring, that leaves a window for an attacker to cause damage to a target. IPS uh, to a target system. IPS is designed to take action to block anything where it believes to be a threat to be protected system. IDS requires a man or another system to look at the results and determine what actions to take next. On the other hand, the purpose of IPS is to catch dangerous packets and drop them before they reach their target. So in this video, it completely speaks raps about the IPS and ideas, what they are, and their differences.